come on. Come on. Oh, there we go. Now we're talking. Now we're talking. Just as easy as that. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm super excited to share with you how you can get paid to test and play games online. And if you are a gamer or you are interested in playing games, this is definitely the perfect video for you, where I will explain a step-by-step process how you can get paid to play games. So if you're interested in that, make sure to watch the video until the end. And as I say, if you are into gaming, this is the perfect opportunity for you to play games and get paid for it at the same time. And you will get the opportunity to get paid for playing the latest games or games that haven't even been released yet on the iOS or App Store. This method will include testing some applications as well, but mostly games. Guys, I am Jay from the channel Froneman Millionaire Mind, and I'm very excited to share with you this worldwide opportunity for you to get paid to test games. And these jobs are really well paid jobs, so it's not just $1 or $2 getting paid to test games. They are paying up to $30 per test. That will hardly take any of your time, maybe 5 to 10 minutes of testing a game. It is easy and fun to do, and I mean, who doesn't like playing games? And you know, bonus, getting paid for it, which is amazing. So if you're into this, definitely make sure to watch the video until the end, and I'm going to show you 2 websites that you can use to get paid to test games online. So as I say, for this method we are going to be using 2 websites to get paid up to $30 for playing games online. And what I'll do is I'll leave the links to these websites for you in the comment section, so definitely go and check this out so you can have a look at these websites. And I want to show you now on these websites how this method works, a little bit about the website, the different sort of tests you can browse and take to essentially earn good money online testing games. And the first website that I want to show you, or that I came across, is BetaFamicom, and you can see there are over 180,000 testers on this website from over 240 nationalities, owning over 3,000 different devices with more than 22,700 created tests. And in order to get started on this website, you need to create an account on the sign up page. And if you scroll down to the bottom of this website, there is a link called sign up as a tester, and you want to click on this, which will then pop up with a page. You can sign in or create an account with your email, name, password, then repeat your password. I'm just going to sign in with my Google account quickly. And once you've created your account, you can also go to the how it works tab just to get an idea of how it works. You can sign up from there as well. Basically a step-by-step process how you can test games on this website to essentially get paid. And then the best part is you want to click on the browse tests tab at the top of the website, where you can filter by the different various games or applications that you want to test and essentially get paid up to $30 per test for. So if you're on Android, you can filter by Android, or if you're on iOS, you can filter by your iOS device. You can choose between the categories that you want to test or apps that you want to test. So if you want to test book apps, business apps, catalog apps, education, all the way through to weather. But obviously for this video I am using games to want to test and play games. So if you click on the games tab, it will filter through the different games. So you can see Morikami test, Robot Battle Arena, Frontline Attack, Beta test, Balloon Clef test. And if you want to test these applications, what I suggest is apply for each and every possible test that there is to essentially earn as much as you can. So for example, I'm going to choose Robot Battle Arena. If you want to apply for this test and get paid to test this game, you'll click on go to test page, and once you've found a specific game that you want to test, you can follow this game for any future tests they post. And you can see a little bit about the game, the name of the game, the requirements, so you must either be male or female, your age, any age group between 13 and 99, living in all corners of the world. So this means this test can be taken by anybody in the world. As I say, it's a worldwide opportunity for any user, Android or iOS. You can play this game anywhere in the world and earn through this website. And once you're ready to play the game and run this test or apply for the test, you can click apply, and you will get a notification via your email box where you can then test the game from there and essentially get paid to your PayPal account. So what I suggest is go to the test page, browse tests. You can filter through the games again. You can apply for each and every test, so your opportunity or the potential for you to earn is much more. What I also suggest is you can filter by all the tests. So if you want to test a specific app, games, education apps, finance, news, sports. Apply for all of the possible tests that you can to essentially get paid as much as possible on this website. And some of these tests pay between $5 and up to $30 per test, which is really good money. And these tests take you 5 to 10 minutes to do, and earning up to $30 in 5 to 10 minutes is really good money. So this is definitely worth it. It really pays well. And I want to touch on the second website now. And the second website that I want to show you guys is called VMC.com, where you can join a global network and beta test network where you can play AA, multiplayer console and PC games before they are even released, to test these games and get paid for this, which is really awesome. And I'm going to leave a link for you guys or for you in the comments below, where you can go and join, have a look at this website. It's definitely worth a look at. I mean, I think it's really cool that you get the opportunity to play games that haven't even been released yet. I mean, you never know, the game you test may become the next Fortnite. In order to register on this website, you need to be at least 18 years old and sign a non-disclosure agreement. But what I suppose you could do is, if you sign up on this website, you can make or set your account to a date or your birth date older than 18 years old, so you can actually test games on this website if you're younger than 18. But you got to focus well on and follow instructions in a timely manner, and also maintain a professional behavior at all times. But I suppose if you're like a 12, 13-year-old, this will not work for you, as I'm sure the test will pick up that you have a very loud and squeaky voice. So if you're 16, 17 years old, maybe you'll get away with it. But these, definitely have a look at the instructions and see what you need to test on this website. And you can see a couple of very popular companies that this website is working with. I mean, RM80A, Tencent, Ubisoft, I mean, Far Cry games, some of the biggest games. It's one of the biggest gaming companies in the world. Bethesda, Sega, big gaming company. Daybreak. So really the world's most innovative brands are listed here. So you definitely know this website is a trusted website, and you always are going to get tests and games to test on this website. And if you're keen to join this website or platform to test games, if you're looking to join GBTN, keep an eye on this website for when they reopen applications in the next coming months. And if you are a member, you can contact them as well. So what you'll need to do is you'll need to go to this website that they give you here, sign up your account, and from there you'll be able to test games. And as I say, I'll leave a link to this website in the comment section, not the description, the comment section, where you can join this website and test games. And from there, these companies or this website will reach out to you to tell you if you've been approved for a test or not. But as I say, you want to apply for as many tests as possible to try and get accepted for as many as possible, to essentially earn as much money as you can on a daily basis. So this is definitely worth a try, and I'd love for you to let me know how this goes. So in a future video, let me know how this goes in the comment section, and I'll definitely get back to you on that. And if you guys want to see another video on how to make money online, how to grow your YouTube channel, please subscribe down below. I upload videos constantly, daily, on how you can make money online, boost your YouTube channel with views, subscribers, really some awesome hidden and secret tricks to boost your channel, and as well as affiliate marketing, and as I say, making money online. And guys, you also want to hit the notification bell next to the subscribe button so I can send you a message every time I upload a video. And that's it for now. And if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment down below. I reply to all the comments and I heart all my comments. So please, if you have any questions, let me know down below and I'll answer them. But until then, take care, and I'll see you in my next video.